How to use the depth setting sleeve. In this video we're showing you how to get that perfect seal every time when installing self-drilling fasteners using a trusty tool called the depth setting sleeve. Why it matters. Overdriving screws can strip threads or damage sheets. Underdriving can leave your seal ineffective. The right depth means weatherproofing that works every time. What is a depth setting sleeve? This is the depth setting sleeve. Made from tough anodized aluminium, it fits different fastener heads and comes with handy side cutouts to check compression at a glance. First, slot the sleeve onto your tool. Aim to compress your washer to about 2/3 of its original height. That's the sweet spot. Run a quick test. Drive a screw, then assess the compression. If it's not quite there, tweak the depth up or down until it's just right. The technique matters. Keep your arms straight, align the tool with thumb and forefinger, trigger with the last two fingers. This helps drive the fastener perfectly straight, no uneven compression. Any swarf should be brushed or blown away after the screw is 3/4 in. You don't want it trapped under the washer, it can rust and ruin your seal. And there you have it, perfectly installed fasteners and watertight seals thanks to the depth setting sleeve.